Hello, little Islamic geniuses! Today, we're going to learn how to perform Wudhu step by step. Our first step is washing our hands, but first, we say Bismillah. This makes our action special because we remember that we are cleaning ourselves only for Allah. Afterwards, take some water and wash your right hand up to the wrist 3 times. Rub properly so that water seeps between your fingers and no part remains dry. Afterwards, do the same for your left hand. Next, we clean our mouth. Take a little water in your right hand, swish it gently inside your mouth, and spit it out. Do this 3 times so that your mouth is fresh, clean, and ready to recite the words of Allah in Salah. Now we clean the nose. With your right hand, take a little water and sniff it gently inside your nose. Then use your left hand to blow it out. Repeat this 3 times so your nose is completely clean and fresh. It's time to wash the face. Wash from the top of your forehead down to your chin and from one ear to the other. Do this 3 times, making sure water reaches every part of your face, including the cheeks, nose, and under your lips. Now wash your right arm. Start at the fingertips and wash all the way up to the elbow. Do this 3 times, rubbing carefully so the water covers the front, back, and elbow completely. Next, wash your left arm from the fingertips to the elbow. Again, do this 3 times, making sure to cover every part and leaving no dry spot. After washing the arms, wet your hands again and wipe your head once. Start from the front of your head, move your hands all the way to the back, and then bring them forward again. This makes you feel fresh and reminds us of humility. With the same wet hands, clean your ears once. Use your index fingers to wipe inside the ears and your thumbs to wipe behind them. This completes the cleansing of the head area. Now, wash your right foot up to the ankle 3 times. Rub well and use your fingers to clean between your toes, making sure no part is left dry. Finally, wash your left foot up to the ankle 3 times. Again, clean between the toes carefully and make sure the whole foot, heel, and ankle are washed.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.